So you learn that when we declare a class as abstract, we cannot instantiate it, we can only extend it. In contrast, we have final classes. When we declare a class as final, we cannot extend it anymore. Let me show you. So I'm going to declare this checkbox class as final, and now we cannot declare a class that extends the checkbox. Let me show you. So if I declare a public class, let's call it my checkbox, that extends our checkbox, we get a compilation error. Cannot inherit from the final class checkbox. So we use final classes in situations where we are 100% sure about the implementation of a class and we want to prevent other classes from extending that class. Is it something that we use that often? To be honest, no. And we shouldn't really use final classes that often because it prevents us from using inheritance, polymorphism, and many other powerful object-oriented features. But there are situations where the implementation of a class is so specific, we have made so many assumptions in that implementation, especially about changing the state. In those cases, we can declare our classes as final, and this will prevent other classes from extending that class. An example of this in Java is the string class. So we cannot extend the string class because it's declared as final. Now you might be wondering why. Because strings in Java are immutable. So once we create and initialize a string, we cannot change its content. If we call any of its methods like to uppercase or to lowercase, we'll get a new string. So this is the assumption that is made in the implementation of this class. People who have implemented the string class have made sure that every method that modifies a string object will in fact return a new instance. That is the reason why they declared this class as final, so we wouldn't accidentally extend this class and break this assumption. So this is all about final classes. In Java, we also have final methods. When we declare a method as final, we cannot override it. Let me show you. So I'm going to delete this line. Now back to our UI control. We can declare this method as final. And now, if you go to our checkbox and try to override one of the methods in the base class, we cannot see the enable method anymore because it's declared as final. So we use final methods in situations where, again, we have made certain assumptions. We're changing the state of the class in a particular way. We don't want the subclasses to accidentally change this behavior or break our assumptions. So this is all about final classes and methods.